video, I will be sharing with you the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Women are the epitome of beauty. Today, we will be sharing with you some of the most popular beautiful celebrity women in Nigeria, and there are just too many. Every woman is beautiful, and beauty lies in the eyes of the beholders. Nigeria is blessed with talent and beauty. Some of these Nigerian female celebrities are not just only beautiful but also talented. We have done a thorough research and we have compiled a list of some of the beautiful female celebrities in Nigeria. So not to waste much of your time, we present to you the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 15. Victoria Kimani. Victoria Kimani is a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, model and an actress. She is currently signed to Chocolate City and has been described as the record label's first lady. She was born on 28 July 1985 in Los Angeles, California in the United States of America. She is currently 33 years old. She grew up in Benin City, Edo State in the southern part of Nigeria, where her parents were doing missionary work. She began singing at the age of 9 years old. In late 2012, she was the first female artist signed by the Nigerian music label Chocolate City. Victoria Kimani is very beautiful and currently number 15 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 14. Omaomi. Omaomi is a famous Nigerian R&B singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, actress and a model. She was born on 13th April 1982 in Warri, Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria. She is currently 37 years old. She started her music career in 2007. She is currently a brand ambassador for Globacom, Conga.com and Malta Guinness. She is also a part of the campaign called Rise with the Energy of Africa. She rose to fame after emerging as the first runner-up in the 2007 West African Idols, a reality TV show that is aimed at discovering new talents in Africa. Omaomi is very beautiful and currently number 14 on our list of top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 13. Stormrace. Stormrace is a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 18th September 1987 in Udi, Enugu State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. She is currently 31 years old. She is originally from Udi, local government area of Enugu State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. After her primary and secondary school education, Stormrace attended Enugu State University of Science and Technology and graduated with a bachelor's degree in biochemistry. Stormrace is very beautiful and currently number 13 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 12. Munachi. Munachi is a famous Nigerian rapper, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, television presenter and a model. She is the winner of the Most Beautiful Girl in Nigeria in 2007. She was born on 5th November 1987 in Port Harcourt, Rivers State in the southern part of Nigeria. She is currently 31 years old. She is originally from Owerri, Imo State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Munachi was encouraged by her family to pursue her passion for music and art. She attended Federal Government Girls College, Aboloma in Port Harcourt, after she attended Benson Idahosa University and graduated with a bachelor's degree in international relations. Munachi is very beautiful and currently number 12 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 11. Imanira. Imanira is a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, actress and a model. She was born on 18th July 1988 in Tyler, Texas in the United States of America. She is currently 30 years old. She is very beautiful, gifted, skillful, creative and talented. She is of Igbo descent from Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria. In 2012, she left America for Nigeria to pursue a career in music and modeling. After completing her primary and secondary school education, Imanira proceeded to Texas Southern University in Tyler, Texas in the United States of America, and graduated with a bachelor's degree in healthcare administration. She started her music career in 2011. Imanira is very beautiful and currently number 11 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 10. Cynthia Morgan. Cynthia Morgan is a famous Nigerian reggae and dancehall singer, rap artist, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 23rd September 1991 in Benin City, Edo State, in the southern part of Nigeria. She is currently 28 years old. Her music is a fusion of pop, hip-hop, dancehall and rap. Cynthia Morgan is original from Benin City, Edo State, in the southern part of Nigeria, where she completed both her primary and secondary school education and obtained both her first school leaving certificate and West African Senior School certificate. At the age of 7 years old, she was already a backup singer for a modern musical band. Cynthia Morgan is very beautiful and currently number 10 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 9. Ninyola. Ninyola is a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 9th December 1985 in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. She is currently 32 years old. She is original from Ilesa in Osun State, Nigeria. She is the last child in a family of 10 children. After completing her secondary school education, Ninyola attended University of Lagos and graduated with a bachelor's degree in English language. Ninyola's interest in music kicked off when she was just 8 years old. She started her musical career professionally in 2000 when she emerged as the first runner-up at the MS Talent competition. Ninyola is very beautiful and currently number 9 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 8. Simi. Simi is a fast-rising Nigerian R&B singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 19th April 1988 in Ojuelegba, Surulere, Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. She is currently 29 years old. She is the last child in a family of 4 children. Simi grew up in Lagos as a tomboy before the separation of her parents when she was just 9 years old. After her primary and secondary school education, Simi attended Convenant University in Ota, Ogun State and graduated with a bachelor's degree in mass communication. She started her music career in 2008. Simi is very beautiful and currently number 8 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 7. Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage is a famous Nigerian Afropop singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 5th February 1980 in Ikeja, Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria and relocated to the United Kingdom at the age of 11 years old. She is currently 39 years old. She is original from Isaleko, a small village in Lagos Island, Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. She is a graduate of business administration from the University of Kent in the United Kingdom. Tiwa Savage is very beautiful and currently number 7 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 6. Yemi Alade. Yemi Alade is a famous Nigerian Afropop singer, songwriter, vocalist, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 13th March 1989 in Abia State in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but grew up in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. Her father is from Yoruba origin, while her mother is from Igbo origin. She is the 5th child in a family of 7 children. She attended St. Saviour British Primary School and Victory Grammar School both in Lagos State, Nigeria, after which she attended Federal University of Lagos and graduated with a bachelor's degree in geography. Yemi Alade is very beautiful and currently number 6 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 5. Sheyi. Sheyi is a famous Nigerian R&B singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer and a model. She was born on 21st December 1985 in Tottenham, London in the United Kingdom. She is currently 33 years old. Her mother is from the northern part of Nigeria, while her father is from the southwestern part of Nigeria. She grew up in a religious setting family. Sheyi attended Command High School in Maryland, Lagos State, Nigeria, after which she went back to London in the United Kingdom to complete her university studies. Her interest in music was influenced by members of her household. Sheiche is very beautiful and currently number 5 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 4. Amarachi Uyene. Amarachi Uyene is a popular Nigerian kid dancer, violinist, recording artist, singer, songwriter, and a performing artist. She was born on 17th July 2004 in Asaba Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria. She is currently 13 years old. She is originally from Asaba in Delta State, Nigeria, and started dancing at a very tender age. She is currently studying in an international high school in Asaba Delta State, Nigeria, where she combined both her music career and academic studies together. In 2012, Amarachi Uyene rose to fame after winning the 2012 Nigeria Got Talent Hot Show and dancing competition hosted by multinational telecommunication network Airtel Nigeria. She won 10 million naira in the competition and became the youngest millionaire in Nigeria at the age of 8 years old. Amarachi Uyene is very beautiful and currently number 4 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 3. Dija. Dija is a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, model, visual artist, painter, and a graphic designer. She was born on 14th August 1989 in Kaduna State in the northern part of Nigeria. She is currently 28 years old. Her mother is from Kaduna State in the northern part of Nigeria, while her father is from Sierra Leone in West Africa. She is a Muslim by religion. Dija grew up both in the United States of America, Canada, Sierra Leone, and Nigeria. She is currently signed to Maven Record by Don Jazzy. After completing her primary and secondary school education, Dija went further and earned 2 degrees from 2 different universities in the United States of America and Canada. She has a bachelor's degree in biology and a bachelor's degree in psychology. Dija is very beautiful and currently number 3 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 2. Chidinma Ekile. Chidinma Ekile is a famous Nigerian Afropop singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, and a model. She was born on 2nd May 1991 in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. She is currently 28 years old. She started singing at the age of 6 years old. She is originally from Imo State in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but was born and bred in Lagos State, where her parents reside to date. She became famous after winning the MTN Project Fame West Africa in 2010. Chidinma Ekile is very beautiful and currently number 2 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria. Number 1. Lola Ray. Lola Ray is a famous Nigerian Afropop singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, and a model. She was born on 20th January 1991 in Obalande, Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria to a Ghanaian mother and a Nigerian father. She is currently 28 years old. She gained recognition following the release of her debut single, Wash My Tingo. She received critical acclaim and thus earned her a nomination for Most Promising Female Act Watch at the 2013 Nigerian Entertainment Awards. She attended St. Xavier's School, Ikoyi, and Lekki British International High School in Lagos, after which she relocated to England and obtained a degree in fashion and textile. Lola Ray is very beautiful and currently number 1 on our list of the top 15 most beautiful female musicians in Nigeria.